In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove friends on Roblox fast. Okay, so you can see I'm on Roblox right now. If I go to friends, and then click on friends, you can see that the process right now is you have to click on it and then manually remove the friend. Okay, so what you would do now is you would go to Chrome Web Store, type that into Google, and go to the Chrome Web Store. Okay, once you're on the Chrome Web Store, type in Roblox Friend Remover, and it's this one here, Roblox Friend Remover button. And let me just find it. Yes, you want to click on this one right here at the top, and then you just want to add that to Chrome. Okay, so then you just want to add that extension. It's going to take about 10 to 15 seconds. Now it has been added. Now you can go back to Roblox. You can refresh your friends page. And now, for an example, if you want to get rid of a friend, you can simply click this button right here and it will remove the friend. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.